What's up, everyone? What's up, everyone? Just tired. Yesterday I caught a huge trade. Went to bed pretty late. W trade. Yo, what's up? What's up? Put this on the side. What's up, everyone? It's a good time to log on queue at the low volume note down here, but I just woke up and I'm basically done with most of my account right here. So I might just trade on my combine. Sorry, y'all. I just woke up pretty tired. Dude, I'm about to get a payout with this account, 100% win rate. What the fuck? No way. And I just purchased my funded futures too. Evaluations account. See, I caught a huge fucking short, like right up here, top to the bottom. Just top to bottom. What's up, Blacko? It was fucking overextended. What's up, everyone? Oh, tired. What? Guess I caught a good short. What do you mean? Let's fucking go, Blacko. Yo, 3.6K is like my biggest day. Look, 3.3K, biggest short. Yeah, I gotta do a breakdown analysis too. But to be honest, like I was just looking at absorptions over here, and I didn't think it's gonna drop big like that. I just go in and just keep traveling with it. Shit, I got used to restroom real quick. I'll be right back. Fuck me. Yeah, hold on. Yo, what's up, y'all? How am I? I'm 21. Yo, what's up, JB? What's up, JB? 21.
Yo, yo, yo,
Woo,
yo,
woo.
yo.
Yo, what's up, JB?
What's going on, bro?
What's up, JB? Dude, turn off the YouTube sounds. It's echo right now.
No, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Dude, 3.6K, bro, and I was calling long. Like, isn't this low volume note, bro? I was saying it's a good time to buy, but I'm already done with most of my accounts, so that's why I'm not buying.
Nice, bro. 3.6K in a day. That's across two accounts.
No, this
Two
this
X.
one is up 500. I locked it out early.
I'm at 400 on a
So,
day.
dude, 8 days, we up 8K, baby. Come on now. I already
Ooh,
took 1K out, but about to take a huge one right here.
almost 10K.
Ah,
Almost
2K
10K.
there right here. And dude, this account, bro, like, am I gonna get my first payout with 100% win rate? Yo, what's up, Suprash? Dude, yesterday go
What's that?
short. Fucking like, I couldn't sleep, bro. Like, after I caught that short, I was so hyped. Like, bro, 3.3K. Yo, thanks for the sub. Dude, 3.3K trade in 6 minutes. What? And then
Let's go.
I was just gap short. Like, I went in with 3 mini, 2 mini short right here. No,
Let's fucking go, baby. Squeeze Nick.
squeeze the fuck out of it, right? Always. And it's a 50K account too. Think about it, like 3.3K on a 50K account is insane, right?
That's a lot. That's a lot.
Dude,
Dude,
like
that's a lot.
basically if you're on an eval, you pass account like right away. It's a lot. It's a lot.
Good shit, bro. Good shit.
Appreciate it, bro. By the way, thanks for the sub, bro.
Yes, sir. Gotta show love. Got to. OG members here.
Hell yeah.
Let's
Come
go,
on, give me a
baby.
thumbs up and a sub. Sorry for the late. I stream late because I wake up late. Yes, I stay up for a little bit after that fucking short. Cause we're about to take a huge payout here.
You want to take out 5K?
Yeah.
Nice. Go chat.
Let's go, chat. I'm gonna trade on this account though. I have 3 evals, copy trading.
Alpha ticks.
Yeah.
Need to get an account with them. They use Project X, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. How's everyone doing? It's a pretty late session, but let's see if we can catch something. I'm on the eval. I'm about to pass 2 more eval right here, but I'm gonna just chill, take the payout first, and I'll pass them. Pretty easy. I'm gonna pass eval as quick as possible. Yeah, I'm gonna channel down a little bit. This is my channel right here. You know, my diary.
Or
I'm gonna channel down for a little bit. Gotta stay
sir,
disciplined.
I like to see that, bro. I like to see that.
Channel my journey. Come on now.
Everybody should be journaling, chat.
Oh yeah.
Everybody should journal their
You
trades.
know, dude, like on Friday I lost like 2.6K. What's up, Goom? Goom. I lost 2.6K cash money, so dude, like it was huge. Dude, I lost my whole payout there basically. Market, trading personal.
And get it all back.
Yeah, I'm already getting it all back, bro. About to take a 10K payout soon. Cross firm. 1.5 with this one. 3.5 with this one. Probably 2.5 with this one.
So,
Nick banging in payouts, right?
yes, sir. You know, look easy.
Then after payout, I have two more combine ready to go for another XFA. But let me channel real quick. What do you mean that was you? Today is the 10, 14. $25. I'm gonna wait for a long on NQ right here. I selling out right here. I might go for a long right here. Let's see. 2 micro first.
Gold's
Pop
pushing.
you trading, so I gotta be careful right here. Cause 3 accounts, $210. I'm gonna do my max stop loss just below this big bubble. 640. Oh yeah, I don't know why your name's not Sean Vincent. Yo, you know higher time frame still bullish, so I'm gonna just let it run. I'm gonna scam one. I feel like today we can get back to the top. Dude, don't switch your bias because of me. Just stick to your strategy. Dude, don't switch. You know, like if you see a short, then you take the short. Short and long can always make money. It's just how you trade it. Just like right now, I'm down money, so some short people right there make money. You don't have to switch your bias because of anyone. I do have VWAP, bro. Look, VWAP right here. It's just I haven't put it on this one. See, I can put on the VWAP. Oh yeah, I do use VWAP. I mean, like, it's so important to me too. Let's see where we're at with the volume profile today on NQ. Do 100 minis. I'm not that crazy. Okay, we most volume traded right here, so it's a pretty risky. Um, I need to break out of this range right here, and the best entry would be at this low volume note right here, or you know, if that low volume note don't hold, then like you would want to entry at the Banyara low. But okay, I'm fine with that. Only 2 micros in, you know. Have a good stop loss. The reason why I don't entry full size because you know, I'm gonna see where it's gonna reverse. So just 2 right now, and then I'm gonna add in later when I see reversal, you know. But otherwise, just 2, you know, pretty chill. And it's an eval too. Copy trading 3. I have my funded futures eval too, but I haven't traded much on it. And this one I'm just gonna chill. I'm not gonna trade on it. Trying to take the payout before I keep trading. Yeah, Hen. 3.6K, bro. You already know, Hen. On this one, 500 on this one, 660 on this one.
3.6K is such a crazy number for 50K, bro. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Yo,
Shit, bro.
one trade alone is like 3.3K.
How many ticks was a gold short?
Yo, it's huge. Look at the shit, dude. God damn, bro. I was on a mini too. Imagine if I'm in like 2 minis. I was trying to get in
Only
2 minis,
one
but
mini.
I gotta stop out and then I gotta get back in. Look at this shit. From top to the bottom. Squeeze that bitch. Squeeze it. Like, I basically squeezed the whole fucking 4 hours candle from the top until till it flipped. Then I took some scalp too. Like, I took a couple mini scalp because
How long were you in the trade?
6 minutes.
6 minutes?
So the
Good
drop
volume.
was quick,
Yeah.
you know? So my first TP was like only like 1,000 something, but like, I see the volume, so I was just trailing, you know?
Yeah, for sure. For
Oh,
sure.
yeah, man, squeeze Nick, you know?
He's Nick, bro.
I be squeezing. You know, you always, you know me, JP, bro. Every short market, bro, like always trying to squeeze to the bottom,
Bro,
right?
since the very beginning, chat, this guy has been going crazy, squeezing the market.
Dude, like when I first traded, I have the ball to squeeze it too, right? Like it's
Yes,
just like,
sir.
dude, even if I'm good or bad in trading, I still love to like just hold on to trade.
You're gonna see a lot of
Squeeze,
that. Chat, you're gonna see a lot of the squeezing from him, bro.
dude.
Got the
I'm the
guys in
best
the guys in
squeezer. Like if
Menace.
I'm in a winning position, I'm gonna try to get the most
The
out of
guys in
market, like
Menace.
extract the most out, you know?
Yes,
Hell yeah.
sir.
Cause like if y'all think about it, like if you're in a mini chippy, would you take profit at 1K or 2K, right?
Yeah.
But I squeeze to the bottom, bro.
Squeeze to the
It's
bottom.
not even the bottom, bro, but like it's still good, you know? Like
Big drop.
I I squeeze right here, exit right here, and then it flip back up. I don't care. I saw absorptions on the book map, so I just hop out.
Last night in Asia, I caught 600 ticks. This was
Yeah.
one micro though. One micro. It
WJB.
was such a sniper trade though, bro. Zero drawdown.
Say it's not a good, you know, spot to be long, so that's why I'm into micros, but this low volume note is where you might want to look for long right here. If this fell, then it's gonna come all the way back down towards here.
Right back, bro.
All right, bro. Let's squeeze it back to the top, boys. Hell yeah.
We're halfway to passing these accounts. I put
W.
W's in the chat, man.
But usually I just
One,
pass account quick. Like, look, I just go and 5 minis and pass them. Just look for a quick bottom tick and pass them. Maybe
yeah,
sometime I'll fail them because I want to get the 1.5k. It's either fail 1.5k, and then once I get that 1.5k, okay, and then like I'm gonna take like I'm gonna slow down a little bit, maybe risk 500 instead of like the whole 2k.
yeah. That's what I'm doing right now.
But I know that I can get payout, so I'm just gonna rush through them quickly.
Nice.
But if like people like if you are not consistent and it's hard for you to get a payout, there should be no reason you rush eval, because you're gonna blow your XFA and that's a lot of money. But I know what I'm doing on the XFA, so it's fine for me to rush. But like if you don't, then you're gonna build bad habits and you're gonna bring it towards XFA. All right, seems like we didn't even go in the low volume node, but they already defended. All right. Let me see the 1 minute chart. Get back above my entry. I'm gonna add in more, which is above this sellers right here. Above here. I'm gonna add in more. But for now, we chill, because it hasn't touched the low volume node, so it might go down towards the low volume node. And it's pretty bad to trying to add in right now, unless it's got above this sellers. Man, Squeeze JP, you gotta change your name, bro. You in the
I do gotta put it
squeezing?
back.
Oh, can't be sniper. You gotta beat the squeezer. Snipe and squeeze, not just snipe. You
Snipe
know,
squeeze.
you know what
Yes,
I'm saying?
sir.
Snipe, squeeze, bro. You can't just snipe. You gotta squeeze too. Both gotta go together to make a lot of money, to
Yes,
bang.
yes, sir.
Yeah,
I gotta put the squeeze back in my name. I'm the sniper, but
you,
I'm not a squeezer as well.
sniper is easy. Squeeze is hard because when you're in a lot of profit, you might not want to hold your trade. You gotta beat the squeezer. Come on
Yes,
now.
sir.
Like like getting in profit is easy, but like how to protect it and get maximize of it is hard. Like get the most out of it is hard because
Yeah, it is. Managing, micromanaging. Yeah.
like let's say the trade from last night. If other people, they would take it at 1k for sure, right? Because they're scared that like the market gonna flip on them. But dude, I know Go is fucking overextended, so I was just trailing with it and a lot of selling volume. So like when it's time, bro, like you gotta hit the home run, bro. And that was a quick home run too, in 6 minutes. Fucking banging 3.3k, just right here.
Okay, 6 minutes.
Shit, 3.3k. And I was down 800 from the 2 mini goal too. But it's fine. You gotta take the
Anyway,
loss. Like 2 mini, like $800 loss is a quick loss. That was like a really quick loss. Like I cut it quick. Otherwise, I could lose more right there. You gotta cut it quick.
don't hold the
No,
losers.
no matter if you're like, no matter your P&L, bro, whatever that shit is, just cut it quick. Cause like when you're in big size, you might not want to cut it quick because you see that, oh shit, I'm down so much, I don't want to cut it. But you have to cut it. And then I was down. That's why I reduced my size to 1 mini. Reduce the size, make it back. Made it back. Pretty easy.
You have a red folder in an hour, so
Who give
let's
a
see.
fuck? I'm done with my day, dude. I'm just on my eval, chilling.
Yes, sir.
Dude, I'm gonna
Full
catch the
size.
news candle right here on my eval. Come on now.
I'm gonna pass both evals with the news candle.
Dude, just
Don't
go in
really
one
know.
micro, bro. Dude, you don't want to blow it. Just go in one
Yeah, I
micro,
won't
because
blow it.
News candle, like 1 micro, I think you could pass it easy, bro.
Yeah, I'm not trading minis today. No minis.
Market is volatile right now.
No minis today, chat. Staying disciplined. 1 to 3
Hold on.
micros.
I wanted to get above here first for me to scale back in again.
Top 1 squeezer in Texas.
Dude, I'm not, but thanks, man.
Nah, you are, bro. Top squeezer out there. He out there in Dallas, bro. Top
Dude,
squeezer out there in
thanks.
Dallas. I don't know nobody
Squeezer,
else out there doing it like that.
keep your losses small. Look at the all right. Look at the average win and loss, bro. You already know how I manage my trade. That's how I catch the big move. Because I take small losses. It's 172 trades too in total. And look, this is the loss profit factor. You know, average win and average loss. You gotta cut them quick. Oh, it feels 83% direction long. So, cause market been bullish. Like if you see my win and losses right here, yo, look at all of this win and compared to the losses. Like look, 5 contract, but I still take small losses. Look, small losses only. Maybe almost a 200 loss, but compared to like all of these wins, it's nothing. Look at these losses. 10 micro, $45 loss. You gotta be able to have a tight stop loss by doing what? Order flow. If you're an order flow trader, you can do this shit. This one, 100% win rate. This account, same. Average win and loss is like 1.61. But it's not too bad. It's still good. Profit factor 2.41. Keep your losses small. A 200 loss, but look, when I win big. You gotta be able to take losses. Read the book, Best Loser Win. I forgot the name. Hold on. What's the book again? I think Best Loser Win, right? Yeah, Best Losers Wins. Yep, this is I don't scale in yet. I wanted to push above here first. I was gonna scale in right here, but dude, there's still sellers right here, so I don't wanna scale in without all of his sellers getting fucking fucked up. I want them to get fucked up first, and I'm a scale in. So I know that like the bull's gonna take over them. The best way to squeeze prop firm is like keep your losses small, to be honest. Average winning trade $100, losing trade $50, I want them to get above all of the sellers first before I scale in right here. Otherwise, I'm chill. And I'm a journal real quick.
Yeah, I'm at the journal as well. We got an hour until news. I'm probably not going to enter anything. So,
Yeah, then I'm gonna do a giveaway for. I'm gonna give away. Let's see. I want to give away for our pay members instead, cause last time I already gave away for the Discord. Okay, so this is the bubbles. This is the buyers. So this is the huge player positions right here. You can see it on Bookmap, and what? You know, when price come down, they're gonna defend it because they have huge positions. If it get below, they're gonna get in dentures and they're gonna cover their position. So if you see like if price push below here, let's see I try out this rectangle, price gonna flush down probably towards here or here, you know, but it's gonna flush down. But I'm expecting the big players to defend right here because this is where the entry they brought price up here. So you know if price get below that, they're losing money, right? They gotta do something. They're gonna cover the positions or do something, you know, and it's gonna be bad. So I just want my stop loss to be below there, 39, maybe 39. Yeah, I'll do 39. You know, below the big bubble. But I just said 30, 30 exactly to be safe. So yeah, by using Bookmap, you can identify like where the buyers came in, and you try out the zone to put your stop loss or get confluences. Cause like you know why price consolidating right here? Because we have sellers over here. But I'm thinking like we're gonna push through those sellers, so that's why I'm going in long. You see, the sellers right here, this sellers right here, limit seller. Cause like this is buyers, they're trying to bring price up, but you know there's limit buyers just right, sellers up here, stopping them, and as soon as they get exhausted, they exit it out, cover their positions. That's why we get the flush. So like this limit seller is gonna try to defend price, and after we break this zone, what's the next zone? This zone, this seller zone right here, and next zone, the sellers, you know. But my buy is still long right here. But you can see how the bubbles kind of, you know, defend price right here. And if I zoom in, like I can show you a even better example. Okay, so let's say right here we have the buyers, right? Price come down, you know, buyers defend it. Or maybe we have buyers right in here. It didn't even come down to the zone yet, but buyers right in here already defend it. Like just like the buyers that push it up, you know, look at this shit. Look at this shit, you know, it brought it up. So sellers trying to bring it down, but these buyers won't let price down. So this is a bigger picture. We have buyers right here, this zone right here, between 76, 42. That's where the big players at. And if price flush through that, I don't want to be in the trade, you know, because like big players got in the long right here. I don't want it price to go below that because they're gonna cover the positions. Over here on the left side we have sellers, right side below we have buyers, right? So they're fighting right now. That's why we're consolidating. But my bias is long, and I think buyer's gonna win right here to push straight up. But you know, buyers like at this zone already defended. It didn't even come down to the rectangle, so it's only come down once. Maybe it's come down again, but I don't care because I have my stop loss just right below there. And I'm chilling right now, so I'm not trading like too big of a size and take small move, you know. I'm gonna just trade small size and wait and scaling slowly because I'm already done for the day, so I'm just want to chill. You know, Chippy, just
Yes,
chill,
sir, bro. Sure, I'm
just
already
chill.
done for the
Like
day.
if you
Yeah.
already win, bro, like just chill. You know,
Yeah,
I'm
we green on the day. We
I'm good
green
with
on the day.
$500 win. You know, and then 3.6, yeah, even better. See, I take small days too, but I'm fine with small days. That's how you know you progressing. You
Yeah, the
know.
small days compound chat. You see the progression over time. That builds discipline.
It was huge.
Pound the small trades.
Yeah, $300 a day. But the best is not to like set a target Dude, just trade and just get however much and then just be satisfied with it, to be honest. If you see opportunity, you take it. If not, then you don't. So just don't think about the profit. It's like, you know, like your profit target is 300. Let's say you get in a trade right now. And what if in a logical term, like, you know, in a when you are not analysis the chart, $300 is not the full TP, the full move. What if you can get more, you know? So just trade the chart, just get however much the chart gonna give you instead of like think, okay, at 300 I'm just gonna cut the trade, you know? You gotta keep, if you think the chart keep moving, then just keep, you know, keep trolling or something instead of like, okay, I'm gonna take 300 and be done. Because that you trading the P&L and not the chart, you know? You gotta trade the chart. Bam, bro. Up 150, you know? Barely any drawdown right there, like probably 80 bucks. Get above here. I'm gonna get into more.
I was just gonna say that if we get above, I'm gonna have one more position.
Dude, this account, yesterday I was gamble, so I'm down 1,000, so now I gotta take it slow. I was gamble on this eval. All three of them. To trying to pass it. But it's fine. Cause I know I can take it back. Bro, a 1K? Dude, I can make it back in 1 day with discipline. I take small losses, so I know I can make that shit back easy. I was gambling on stream with fucking my viewers. Short and go yesterday just went insane. So I'm just gonna take 1K loss, you know? It's fine to take a 1K loss. But as long as you're disciplined, bro, like, you know, you can make that shit back. Recovery is easy. I'm gonna go break even right here. So it's fine if I get stop out break even. I'm gonna get a better entry. Probably down towards here. Yeah, yesterday I would just gamble. I was like, damn, bro, why you gambling? People be like, why you gambling? Because it's just an eval. But as I said, I wouldn't do that on a fun day, right? I wouldn't, I wouldn't short go when there's no bearish, no nothing on a fun day. Definitely
Oh
not.
shit!
Yep, I got break even right there. I'm cool with that. That's
I'm
what I'm
glad I got.
thinking.
I'm glad I got out
Because I want to
such a fast
entry
way.
right at the low volume note, like right here. Or if that fell, if this low volume note fell, it might go to Banuera low, so I'm gonna see. Gamble, gamble. Nick the
Mm,
Gambler.
Nick the
Yes,
Gambler,
I'm gambled
Sniper
to
the
get
Gambler.
3.6K, yes, with one mini. I'm gambled to get like, dude, like 8K. I'm gamble.
Nah,
I'm gamble.
nah.
I'm gamble, y'all. And
He's
I've
not
been
gambling,
alive.
chat. He's not gambling, chat. He's the Mr. Squeeze.
Dude, I can't wait until market open tomorrow to just take one trade and get the payout on this account. And I'll update to y'all if this firm legit or not. Boonocks. Because I need 10
Who
days.
knocks?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So tomorrow, get ready for the payout. Come on now, y'all.
Ready, chat.
See, I'm cool with that break even right there. So if it didn't push through, if it don't push through right there, I know it's gonna fall back, come back into low volume node where this buyer is at to retest one more time. So have to push through quickly or we recheck because this is a new range. It's a new volume range. It's a value area high, so it's gonna be tough. So it might come back DD for a little bit. It's a new range because today most volume built down here. So this is where market comfortable trading at right now, so it's gonna be hard for it to like, going up to new area right here. So I'm just gonna chill and wait. This is our range today. We're trying to break out into a new range up here. We don't build volume up here. Most volume build down here today. So market, and you see market is not comfortable to trade up yet. We recheck double top right here. But I still think bias is long. It's just like it's gonna DD for a little bit before we actually push up. They gotta consolidate to build the momentum. They got loading the positions.
Yeah, we in a correction phase right now. We're just correcting.
And higher time frames too bullish. If you look on a daily chart, it's just a higher low. It's nothing more. Look, it's still a uptrend. Weekly chart, yeah. Look at this. It's still an uptrend, right? So you shouldn't short it. Unless it's, for me, bias would flip and market would go bearish. Like the trend is changed when it break this low. So this is a higher low, right? I mean like a lower high. Then like I would, show it for the next week. But otherwise, this week we're still bullish. We have above a higher time frame, low volume node. You see, this is a what? A high, a higher low, a higher high, higher low. Or no, this is just micro, like small structure right here. If you look at the big structure, then like this is high high, higher low right here. That's a big, because I'm looking in a 1 week chart. So a higher low, high high, higher low, high high, higher low, right? Weekly chart. So like this is just a micro structure right here. It's not really like we're not, and even then like we hasn't completely pushed below that. We just wick down. So it's still, market still has not changed structure yet. We're still in a bullish trend. I don't see the trend line for bearish yet. And dude, JP, guess what?
What's
I'm
going
gonna
on,
show
bro?
you. Check this out.
I'm watching.
2 micros, 26 seconds, up 500.
Holy.
You know how I caught it?
With
So
two micros.
yeah, so I know that like market gonna snap back as soon as it opens. So
What?
yesterday I was just spamming buy, and I got a fill right here. Look,
What the hell? Did it wick or something? It had
I
to
got
shoot
a
up
fill right
crazy.
550. Bro, it took profit in 25 seconds. Cause I know it's gonna snap back, dude.
What the hell? He's at it again. He's at it again.
It's going again. Okay, I'm about to get back in right here. I'm
Can't
gonna
even
wait for
break
this
these.
5 minutes to close real quick. I'm gonna put
Yeah,
a
but it's
stop by
break.
of 5. There we go. I'm in. I'm gonna squeeze up right here. Stop loss just below right here. Preferably just below the big bubble, but I'm gonna see. That's how you scalp, King. Look, I'm already up 150 bucks. You gotta be able to see move like that. You know? Come back down, fake the short, come back up. You gotta be able to see like, I went buying down here, right? You see, as soon as I get the confirmation, I'll just get a buy right here. Because I know the short gonna get squeezed if price come back up. So I think we're gonna go up right here.
Nice
This, this,
push.
this is a confirmation buy right here. Buying down here, I would go in small side, but now it's a confirmation buy because we short trying to take it down multiple times, 2 times right here, right? And now the buyers actually win them, so they're gonna cover their positions right here. It's a confirmation buy.
Yeah.
That's how you get
Higher
the high
time
win
frame,
rate.
bullish.
And if it flip below this big bubble, I'm gonna exit. So, you know, pretty small risk. I'm gonna risk
Only in.
probably like I can play below 53, but I'll risk 200 bucks. You know, small risk. Cause we already got the big players in. Look at this big bubble. They're in the game. We got the short out. I can go break even right now too if I wanted to. But I'm gonna give it some space. You know, would y'all put a stop buy right here and get in right here and set up down here? If y'all be able to do that and know this is a confirmation buy, y'all be profitable, man. Instead of like buying down here, you know, there's no confirmation yet. That's how I get pretty high win rate. I wait for confirmation. But if there's no confirmation, I would go into micros, right? Just like earlier. I was only into micros. Got break even right there. So I was waiting for price to come down here to let me entry 2 micros again. But now we just push up. So that's a confirmation buy. I'm just gonna go in 5 micros, you know? When I get confirmation with convictions, I go in big size, baby. Look at that, up 300. Come on, risk 200 bucks. God damn it. Should I take profit, chat? Definitely not. Maybe. I'm gonna take partial right here, y'all. Then I'm gonna just let this one ride and then scale back in later. Because we approaching a pretty good sellers up here too. You know, pretty good sellers just right above here. So I'm gonna just take partial right there. Well, I might take the rest out because it might flip back down. Because
Oh,
I don't
there we
know if
go.
it's
We're getting
gonna.
that push up.
Yeah, I took 3 micros off. You see how quick was that trade? When I get that confirmation, just get in. Scalp quickly right there.
Sniper, bro.
It's really easy to make money in the market.
I mean,
It's
I'm not getting
easy.
out to the. I cannot use flips. Won't get out to I cannot use
If
flips.
you're able to see moves like this, then it's so easy. And Bookmap helped me to see move like this too. Like it helped me understand the market, and I'm getting used to like the move. So like I get used to the pattern. So every time I see it, I just take it. I'm gonna take one more out right here. Because we're approaching pretty good sellers up here. It might come back, retrace a little bit. Consolidate. Yep. And if I trot this out, that would be a low volume note. You know, so y'all gotta be careful right here. We're approaching this low volume note right here. The big sellers. The big boys.
Big boys. I'm up 400 on this account. I'm just gonna lock this one.
Nice,
Honestly,
bro.
this account's locked. This account's
Your
locked.
price kind of saw a little bit right here. I might take another one out. How did I know so quick? Hold on, let me finish this trade. I'll take the other one out right here. This might come back right here. Test. Okay, so how I know long? So at first I was in 2 micros right here, right? It push up, I got stop out break even, and look, we rejected here multiple times. And then like suddenly a huge short come in. And I was already out of positions, right? So the moment I know the confirmation is when price push back up here, that's mean this is just a trap for sellers. Bullish still percent. It push up with volume, with convictions, right? It has a lot of volume on the push up. This means that this is gonna be the breakout, and this we're at the short stop loss to set it above here, right? So as soon as the price get about right here, I got in because I know once price get about right here, there's a high chance just gonna break this and squeeze the short out. And People right here gonna get stopped out, right? Which means they gotta buy their positions back. And I call it a short squeeze. Which is why as soon as price get above that, we just have a huge candle moving up. You know? It's just simple and makes sense because we recheck up here multiple times, like two times. Two times. You see, like, the more times the better. Let's say if we rechecked it 5 times, the more time the bigger the squeeze. Because more stop loss stacked up, you know? More people entry short. So I wouldn't get big signs out here, but as soon as I get back up here, I'm gonna entry 5 contracts and take a quick profit right there of how much. That was a good trade of what? No drawdown too.
I'll draw down. Yes, sir. Same.
$300, you know? But the reason why I exit right here because I previously there's a sellers right up here. So I want to see how price react. But I think today we can definitely squeeze back to the top. Just take a little bit. You know, yesterday I lost 1,000 gambling, but today I already make back 600 trading with discipline. It's pretty easy to make money, dude, in the market. If you are good with your psychology, if you know what you're doing, bro, it's so easy. Dude, I deposit 500 into my personal account. I make 500 in one night, 100% gain, because I keep my
Nice.
losses small.
Good shit, bro.
Trading 2 micros only, max. Make that amount of money, you know. So but last Friday the drop make me till a little bit on my personal, so I'm gonna just stick with profit for a little bit now before I get back into my personal though.
Yeah, I made like $30 on my personal today.
Yes, sir. WJB. Yeah, I mean, like, if you are not like, that type of crazy scalper like me, yeah, you should take small trade. But I'm pretty crazy, right, JP?
Yeah, yeah. No, Nick, guys. I'm telling you, Nick. Nick's that guy. Nick's that guy.
Bro, I just handled the heat so well, like, even with big size, you know? Because I understand, kind of understand how the market move. And, I know that, and I trade with logic. That's why I always exit out early. Okay, we're just gonna squeeze up right here. Wow.
Yeah, I'm in this long right, by the way. I just like this entry right
So,
here.
people do. Yeah, people should switch their buys right here, bro. Whoever like was thinking short and earlier, like who is it? Uh, hold on, Vincent, switch your buys, bro.
Come on, Vince. Switch the bias.
Now it's a good time. Before that, it might be short, but right now it's like, dude, gotta
It was
switch the
Dan.
buys.
He said it was Dan.
Dan, yeah, gotta switch the buys. Dan, let's go. Hell
1 hour
yeah.
closes. Um,
Though my stream has been popping up, right? Pretty good, and I only stream for 2 weeks, and it's not because I'm a good streamer. It is because my skill, you know, and people see value in my trading. That's why they're watching, and I really thanks for the support. It's dedication, months of dedications. I'm still a new trader. I'm only 6 months, but I put a lot of work in. It's a lot of dedication. If I'm a shitty trader, no one gonna watch me, right? So it's not like I'm a good streamer or something. It's I'm a good streamer, like talking to you guys. Also, it is because of my dedication in trading that I can get my skills up for people to see like, okay, I'm a good trader, and I'm up here, like I'm gonna help you guys out, I always want to help out people, you know. And
for
look, bro,
sure.
like
We want to help you guys as much as
this
we
is not
can.
even a course, bro. It's $10 for everyone to see Bookmap, right? I'm basically doing this for free. I'm running my computer 24/7 for people to do Bookmap, and I answer every questions. You think like, dude, like I have to answer everyone question, and it's only $10 a month, bro. It's not even like a course. Like it's just I'm doing it for free, but $10 basically your donation to support me, right? Dude,
Everybody should be using Bookmap. Everybody
thanks,
should be
San.
using Bookmap.
Dude, but San, dude, like people just tell me I'm gambling. I'm definitely not gambling, but dude, like trading is gamble, but you gamble with logic. It's like how you play poker.
It's smart money
Yo, what's
move, man.
up? What's up, Belby? Thanks, Val. It Val, is it this you? Hold on.
W W group for real.
Is
I
it
haven't even
are you
spent money.
VLQ?
Sure, bro.
Yes, sir.
The
Yeah.
groups. This community is gonna be so big. In like 2 more months, 2 3 months, bro. 2026 is
Yeah,
be
I'm
so
feeling
crazy.
it's like that's a good thing. I think that's just my personality. When I got first
Yeah,
onto trading, I'm a type of boy of like if I go to casino, I would go big. Like every time I go to casino, I would all in, bro. Like I'm fearless, to be honest, and that kind of helped me with trading. And instead of like thinking a gambling way, I'm just being fearless and thinking logic instead of like. But I'm at first when I first started trading, I was gamble a lot because I didn't know what I was doing. So I lost a lot of money in trading. I lost like 90K in meme coins alone. I made a lot and lost a lot. So now, you know, I actually learned, and then now I'm become profitable. Just getting back slowly. Just like I do. Like you're young, you have nothing to lose, You have nothing to lose, then just go for it. Cause like, later when you have kids, how are you gonna risk? Now is the time for you to risk, you know?
yes, sir. W advice.
It's the time for you to risk. You gotta be a wild trader. You cannot be any normal trader. Cause like, you know, you gotta be different than other people. My edge is like I'm fearless, and then I buy, I trade when people panic. Like I bought right here. I bought it right here. I was telling everyone to buy as soon as market open. I don't know if like people are fear or not, but I'ma buy that shit when people panic. They sell their positions, and I'ma grab their positions. Right here, just like right down here, people are feared that it's gonna keep going down. But I know for a fact that higher time frame is still bullish. But people be just looking at this small pictures. They don't look at the bigger pictures that are weekly chart. They zoom in to like 15-minute chart, 30 minute, and things still bearish. It's not. It's just a retracement on a weekly chart. And you should buy in like right down here when people are panic selling off. People were panicked right here. They got scared, but I'm a exploit the shit out of them. I'm gonna get the money. You know, weak hand, weak mindset people. They would get scared right here. Exit out with a loss. I'll take their positions. But I would definitely go in small size and just pyramid in. I know I'm fearless too, but like fearless doesn't mean you play. You play recklessly. You gotta be fearless, but you play with logic, like with good risk management. Everything trading, everything gotta combine together. Like everything, it's like art, bro. Like you gotta be good in every aspect to be profitable. Not just like okay, I'm good with strategy, so I'm gonna be profitable. No, it doesn't work like that. You gotta be good with strategy, with your mindset too, because like let's say the gold short yesterday, we might get in the same trade, but many people are not gonna get the 3.3K like me. It's all about the mindset. We might get in the same trade, but people might take a $500 profit because look, it's not gonna go straight down. It's retraced a little bit before a huge dump. And what? People scared that it's gonna reverse on them. They're not gonna hold like me. Dude, it's all about mindset too. So strategy alone is not good. Strategy, mindset, risk management, everything gotta be perfect for you to be a good trader. So just try to be good in every aspect of trading.
Even even in life, like
Yeah,
trading starts with you. Like your
yeah,
strategy doesn't matter. It's like every strategy can work, but it starts with you. Like
yeah.
if
Like,
you're emotional, you're going to be an emotional trader.
like
You're,
that's a lot of ICT trader. Why not all of them
yeah,
profitable, right? Because
right.
they don't have the right mindset to approach the market. Okay, so there are many order flow trader too, but you know, there might be like a lot of unprofitable trader too. Like
Yeah,
it's about mindset too.
sure, bro.
If you trade you scared, bro, like you're not gonna you got emotions, you're not gonna be able to win, dude. Market gonna fucking squeeze the
Market,
pub out of you.
yeah, the market's going to squeeze you guys if you're trading with fear. Fear is what's going to hold you back from a payout. You can be a good trader, but fear can just hold you back, bro.
Nah, fear and also overconfident. It's just like,
Overcome.
you know, you
Yeah,
gotta stay neutral, like just 50% on of everything, you know. Yeah, I do get fear sometimes too, but I still
yeah,
stay
facts.
chill because I know I have a stop loss, you know.
Yeah, just stay neutral. Oof, I'm liking gold better right
But you see, most of the time, maybe I don't even put a stop loss, but you know, I train my mind to like manually exit, and you guys see that on live, on Discord live, YouTube live. I exit manually with discipline. Can you guys do that though? When you're down a lot and you can just exit manually, you know, when something is not right. Because sometimes I don't even have a stop loss and just look at Bookmap and see like, okay, if we break this on, I'm gonna exit manually right here. Because sometimes I need to give a little bit of space. Just like yesterday, I says, like I live trade on Discord, I didn't even put a stop loss, and I just exit as soon as like something invalid, right? Without needing a stop loss. Discipline.
17 minutes till Powell gets up there. Keep a close eye on NQ. Just gonna mark up these key levels.
Yeah, if you're not good with that, yeah, if you're not good with taking losses, yeah, you should definitely have a stop loss because like, you know, market might fuck you up if you are like at the moment just get tilt and just don't exit at all. Yeah, it helped with like earlier I just put my stop loss, you know, below here and look, it didn't even come down. But like and then like later it moved up, I went break even, but damn. I got stopped break even and just got back in, you know, look. So you look at these buyers. Look at what they're doing. They're defending, right? They're defending. And if this fell, we come to these buyers, you know? So we have zones. It's not random. It's not random, y'all. This is the big orders in the market. You know, it's not random. Market is not random. Sometimes it's random, like Friday news, yeah. But most of the time, you can predict or you can expect what the market gonna do. All right, let's say if we break this zone, we come down to this buyers, and I'm gonna hop in a buy down here. You know, we might not even break this buyers. Look, they're holding tight. You can see we still in that range. Look at that. And we have a liquidity target at 900 right here. So I think market gonna try to approach that. And we don't have anything below. Look at that. How
And
perfect. Like, they just defending. Unless it's, if it breaks, it's gonna flush straight down towards here. Which is where the buyer's at right here.
we have a lot of low resistance liquidity down here.
No, we don't have any orders at the low right now. Only at the high. 98
What are you
orders
looking
at
at?
the 900 on Bookmap right now.
I'm looking at gold, bro.
Oh yeah.
Double bottom. I think gold's just
Stalling.
gonna rally. Yeah,
Sellers getting absorbed right here.
you switch back to
Let's
NQ.
see if we're gonna break the zone or not. Because I would love to buy down here, bro. But I don't think it's gonna break though.
Let's see.
Around
Fish a little bit.
66. Okay, we kind of break that right here. Okay, I'm getting for a buy soon. We're going small first because it's not. If it get back up here, I would go big size. But right now, I'm trying to catch the bottom, so you always go in small size. Always small size first if you're trying to catch the bottom. Flush through this buyers, come back down here, I'm gonna buy. Remove this, see? As soon as we flush through, as soon as we pass that bubble right there, it's gonna flush through. So I'm gonna go in for a buy right here. Stop loss just below 43. Expect this buyers to defend right here. Damn, bottom tick again. Come on. And as soon as we get back above this big bubble, I'm gonna scale more in. Because this is sellers stepping hard, right? So, and it price needs to get above that for me to scale in. Journal in a little bit. Try to trade with my people right here for a little bit. Buyers holding. Sellers getting absorbed. Huge bubble, but no progression through. Which means there's limit buyers holding price. Unless we break this zone. Now a confirmation is like I see aggressive buyers coming, get above the sellers. And then like this might be the reversal point right here. If not, I'll take $100 loss. It's ain't much, right? But look at how much I can get. Up back to the top is 300 already. So that's a 1, 2, 3. But I want price to come back all the way here. Or at least halfway. Like right above that.
11 minutes.
Continues. Bottom tick. Look at this shit.
Bottom,
Buyers step in.
bottom. Take neck.
Above this bubble, I'm gonna scale more in.
10 minutes, your trade is gonna be so much profit. Like Powell's gonna push them higher.
Look at this shit. Bottom ticket again. But let's see if we're gonna push up. I need it to get, you see, sellers defending. That's why I say like it need to get above this sellers for me to scale in more. But I see aggressive buyers came in, so that's a good sign. And we have target liquidity up here, 795. The big one is at 900. Big orders. Below we don't have any. Give me the bottom tick for my viewers. Come on. We got above this range again, which is really good. You know, we're above value area high again. Bottom every day, my boy.
Nine minutes.
Oh my god,
Shit.
bottom tick. Nick with the bottom ticker. Again.
He does it again.
Oh my god. Look at this shit. Risk 100. Already up 100. Come on, y'all. Risk 100, up 100. We got above the sellers again. I might scale in and move my stop loss up. I'm getting one more soon. If it can retrace back to this buyers right here. Yep, it's retracing back to the buyers. I'm getting one more right there. They should defend it right here. There we go. Bottom tick scale in using Bookmap. You can see that. How insane is Bookmap. But I'm gonna move my stop loss up. Risking 100 still, you know? Look. You can see buyers just defend it right here. That's how I get the bottom to add in. You don't see this on the chart. As soon as I get above this sellers right here, you know, I'm gonna add more in. Above this sellers right here. Cause you can see sellers defending. But, you know, buyers still bullish, so I think buyers gonna push through here. It's been really bullish order flow, you know. Oh my god, market's getting volatile, bro.
It is. It is very much so.
Push back above right here. I'm gonna add one more. Then after we
There's
push above this high, it's gonna squeeze up towards here at least. Because like now this is a low volume node, and if we disrespect the low volume node, it's price gonna skip quickly through it quickly. Because like it's a low volume node, you know, it's either not a lot of volume building here, so it's an area where like either price rejected and going down quickly, or we going up quickly. So, but my bias is bullish, obviously, so I think it's gonna go up quickly, you know? I'm in one more right there.
Yeah, I think we're pretty good.
Risking $100 still. So it's fine if I lose this $100, right? Already in a good positions. And I'm already up for the day. That's the risk, man. You know, you gotta manage your trade like that. So now if it run up just to this top, that's $500. Come on, y'all. I want to take my profit around here.
5 minutes to Paul speaks us. He gives us just a red folder, so hopefully.
And I say good afternoon. And we drop.
Good afternoon, and we.
Bam. And I'm done scallion right here. So now I'm just gonna go break even, right? Up to 100. Risk initially risk
$100.
$100, and now I'm already 1 to 2. Come on now. I can go break even and chill. Free trade.
I just
Free
want to see
trade,
this
baby.
thing flush to the upside.
Let's see how far it can go up.
Probably gonna set and forget this one. I don't know yet. I'm gonna wait for news.
Free trade.
You gotta hold, let it breathe. Let it breathe, chat. We're up. How many ticks is this for? Shit.
The reason
Go
why I
past the
go
one
break
though.
even is because we push up already. And, you know, it should keep going up. It shouldn't go down from here. If it does, I'll get out break even.
Push. Ganachi still same. No,
Dude,
you're getting
our
flipped.
Discord already, how many members we got right now? I think
30.
130. 130, right? Dude, we see
Sure.
135. Dude, it was just
Alright.
130 before the stream. W, welcome to the Discord, everyone.
On to the newcomers.
Look at this shit. Free trade. Ah,
$100 up $100.
I'm up 200.
Okay.
You got in along there too?
Yeah, I got in like maybe 4 points after you. Just a
Oh,
little bit
really?
higher.
That's
I'm risking
fine. Like,
100.
it's still a free trade now. You can go break even if you wanted
Yes,
to.
sir. Up
W,
$100.
WJB.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so if we gonna disrespect this little volume node, it's gonna push up really quickly right here. It's an area like it's either I don't want price to spend a lot of time in there. It's either like push up quickly or reject. That's the two scenario. But first we need to push above this high first.
Yeah, with the low volume note being there and news in 2 minutes, I think we can get
Or
that push
you
up.
can see that as a fair value gap. It's either reject quick or
Yeah.
we go up quick right here. But I'm thinking we finna have a squeak quick squeeze. But you know, with fair value gap, sometimes you cannot see it because like low volume, you know, sometimes not a fair value gap. So, you know, like volume profile chart just give you a more accuracy data. Oh my God, we're about to squeeze JB
Oh my God, for
up
pumping. What the fuck?
300, up 300,
Up
risking
almost up
100.
2.
Dude, 1 to 3 already. Come on,
1 more minute, bro. One
can I
more minute
get
till Powell.
1K? Bring it to 1 to 10. I'm gonna exit 2 at the top right here, maybe.
Yeah, I'm gonna exit at the top, bro. At
We're exiting.
0.4450. Just $1,000 profit.
Ah,
It's kind of a home run, but I think it's doable. I think it's doable.
and I was calling long just right below here. Earlier, it's like it's in a low volume. No, it's a good time to long, y'all. But
Time
I
to
already
long.
done it with my accounts.
Up $200. You up
I'm up
400?
400.
Yeah. Anytime I go up a double, you're definitely up double.
Yo, and I'm trading small size too. It's not even
Yeah,
big size.
only 2 micros.
I'm in 4 though.
Yeah, that's why it's
But
double.
like I
I
was
knew
scaling in
it.
slowly, you know.
Yeah,
I
I
didn't I
heard you,
didn't go
bro.
full size.
I was gonna enter another micro, but I think 2 is fine just because this is a
This
combine.
is the way to fucking milk profit. It's like, you know, just add in using market money, you know. Oh my God, up 450, bro. What? What? What a trade, right, everyone? I'm gonna exit too soon.
W's in the chat. WJP, yes sir.
Stop sell right
W's in the
here.
chat. W Nick. W Nick,
W
man.
W W W W.
Up 250. I'm gonna
Oh,
squeeze this. We're gonna hold this to the top. We're gonna hold this to the
oh.
top. Like
It's
like
either
last
we
night.
skip quickly right here or we reject right here. Oh, up 600. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
What?
it's it's 12.
Oh,
It's 12:20. 12:20. Powell's definitely up there talking.
oh my God.
He's
Oh my God. I'm gonna take two. I gotta take two. I'm gonna take two off right there. Oh God. Come
up
on.
300. Up
See,
300.
but you see like how we skip quickly through the low volume note there? Look at this shit.
Yeah.
Ah, come on, y'all. Risk $100 and already up $600. A 1 to 6. Ah,
Bro, almost
it's
up 400.
it's a
I'm
beautiful
holding
move.
this. I'm holding
Oh
this
my God,
until
y'all.
1K.
Whoever got along
Let's go,
right there,
y'all.
W, y'all.
Sniper entries, baby.
I
Zero
bottom ticket too.
drawdown. You bottom tick. I sniped it. Let's go. Go, baby. Somebody said, "Yo, Nick, calm down with the moan." All right, come
You
on.
gotta moan a little bit, you know.
When you moan, the price kind of just goes a little faster for you.
Yeah.
I'm telling y'all, I gotta try it out. Try it out.
But
Try
you
it
see
out.
how insane is order flow, helping me catch trades like this. Risk $100 and up 600. Dude, how are you gonna do it with just naked chart?
Go, baby.
Today I trade
Go.
micros only too, and look, I was down 1,000 yesterday gambling, and look, I already make the most of it back. Come on now, plus profit.
Let's go. I'm holding. Until Hakanachi flips color, I'm not getting out of this trade. That's like one. That's
We
one of
have
the things I
liquidity at
use.
900, so price looking for that 900. So if it stall out at 900, I'm gonna exit out the rest. You know,
Nice.
her order is waiting to get filled at 900. But dude, W trade, come on. We skip so quick through that low volume note. Look at this shit.
Who's in this trade with us?
Who's in the long with us? Oh,
Trying to retrace
I
here.
gotta moan a little bit for it to go back up, bro. Now it's gonna go back up. We still have 900 as the target. Let's see though. But sometimes people just front run, so I don't know. Let's see though. I'll take
Let's
the
see.
$130 if it go back down right here. I'm cool with that because I already exit two at the top, baby. Two out at the top.
Just a retrace. We're just retracing. How much is 460?
You can see again buyers defending. You know, just basic concept between buyers and
Nice,
sellers. It's an option.
nice rejection. The email.
Buyers lifting offer right now. They're willing to fill aggressively at the bid. You know, like no, they're willing to fill to buy us aggressively, like when the however the seller is asking for. So they're lifting the offer aggressively. See best bid and ask right here. Green light is bid. Red light is ask.
I just want to climb his way up there. Let's see. See how we holding this fair value gap. Does it determine if I stay in or not?
No, I'll be fine with 130 bucks, you know? Because I already got two out at the top, so try my stop loss just below the big order right here. Maybe a little bit up, 30, just below this.
I'm just managing this for everybody we got. We close below. Definitely getting out. Securing profits. Green across both accounts.
But I think it's gonna
We got a
keep
whole
going
week
up.
of trading.
Look like bullish is so fucking aggressive.
Bullish order flow
Yeah,
right now. It's
Discord is
like
in the
perfect, bro.
it's in the description. This is my Discord. I'm gonna send out the link again for y'all. Here you go. You asking about Discord, right? What's DC? DC is Discord, right?
Yeah, should be. You have DC Discord. Yeah, it should
Yeah,
be Discord.
that's the only thing I could think of. Discord, DC. 28 people in the stream right now. Let's fucking go, Chibi. Come on, give me a thumbs up and a fucking sub. I really appreciate it. We're here catching. Good move.
When should I release my Discord?
Yo, I don't know, man.
I don't know. After a payout, I'm gonna release my Discord. Drop all the sauce, all the sniper sauce.
Yeah. Ooh, Bias kind of got absorbed right here. So Bias really got to push up right here. Or if not, we're going to flush kind of back down. Because
Kind of
lim
stalling. Okay.
limit sellers stopping Bias right now. So I hope they're strong enough to just push through. Yeah.
Uh,
If not, then we might flush back down right here. Because this is
just
huge. Order right here. So they got to push through right here. Or if not, we're going to go down. Of course, possibly down here.
I will hold this trade up. Higher time frame. So in just 1 hour to close higher, leaving us a little wick.
Let's go, Han, let's go, and
Oh,
let's go for the Porsche. You going for the GT86, right, Han? Hell yeah, Han. But I know SRB been not treating you well, so you know I'm down a little bit money too on that Friday drop, but it's all good, Han. It's all good, Han. We getting back up. That Friday drop burned my a little bit of my cash, but it's nothing because I know I can make it back. Dude, I wish I'd just be on my funded that day, dude, instead of my personal, because I was up on my funded and I locked it out.
where's your
Yeah, I'm back.
personal at?
What do you mean? Where's it at?
Like margin wise,
No, I was in options and also I was trading futures with TradeAway.
up 400.
Dude, yeah, I was up a lot and then like 500 and dude, like that crash got me too and total lost 2.6. It was 2.2, but dude, I put in another 400 and I was still at the moment trying to make it back, you know, with the 400 and after I lost that 400, I stopped. Yeah, dude, like market is just insane, dude. Fucking rock pull everyone and then like we're coming back up, baby. It's just do a quick rug pull to liquidate everyone real quick. You already know. Trump the rug puller. Take one more op right here. Just to be safe. I don't care now. Cause I'm up.
Up 350.
Dude, that trade
I need
alone, how much profit I have taken from that trade? 161 plus 369. 530 bucks already. From $100 risk. And I still have 162 unrealized profit right here. Come on now. Yep, we skip through that note quickly. And
Let's go up 400 profit.
it might do a reverse or continue at the 900 right here. So 900 right here is gonna be a key zone. Liquidity at 900. It's the target, also a key zone. But I'm
I'll
just
try a
gonna
little more
exit at
tighter.
900 or try with it, you know. But 900, just watch out for it. I'm gonna mark that on the chart. I'll be watching it.
See this 30-minute candle get a strong push. Well,
If we can push through this 900, it's gonna squeeze to the top.
yeah, I hope price does that. Oh,
Because we have a huge limit sell order right here. It's not a spoof. It's been here. So I know market gotta look for this liquidity right here. Dude, but like stocks and everything on Friday is people are still alive, but like crypto is just insane. Like 20K drop in Bitcoin, bro. Like that shit insane, dude. Dude, everyone would get liquidate instantly. No matter how good is your technical analysis, bro, but move like that, you cannot expect unless you're an insider. And I know people are gonna try to catch the bottom too, and that's why I keep chopping for the rest of the day until next day market open. Because people try to catch the bottom, and market don't like that. If you look right here, you know,
bear back, bro.
look, people trying to catch the bottom. You know, markets just squeeze them out slowly, slowly until they all get squeezed and we go back up. Because they're trying to predict the bottom. And I did too. I'm being transparent with you. I got emotions right there and I tried to buy at the bottom. That's how I lost my money too. Yeah. It's crazy, dude. You know, so I learned my lesson. My lesson right there is like, dude, you shouldn't catch a falling knife, because like the more you catch it, it's gonna keep squeezing until like everyone gets scared and then it's gonna pump back up. You know, look, you can see people was buying right here, but it's just drifting down. A lot of people lost money in here. They're trying to catch the bottom. You know, so lesson learned: should never catch the bottom when there's news like important news like that. You know, lesson learned. Because I got emotion from my option. Like, I was in profit too. I got in around right here, up right here. And I was going for like, you know, a little bit more. I think it's gonna break out and have a big move, but it didn't. And dude, I got fucking squeezed. Emotion, and I put money in futures trying to catch the bottom. And I'm being transparency, you know, but I rarely do shit like that. It was just too much emotions. It was the first crash of my career, and it was tough for me, dude. Like, it's really hard. First crash of my career, I got so emotional, you know. It's a hot day, dude. I never felt like that before. I was not scared, but that's why I catch the bottom, but I was being dumb for catch the bottom. Ah, so I learned something from that. But you know, 2.6K is nothing, but it's just a waste of time, you know, to make that money back. But at least like with that 2.6K, I learned my lesson right there. So later on in the futures, you know, instead of losing 10K, 20K, now that 2.6K already taught me something. So now I'm not gonna lose as much. But you know, regular market days, like I usually never lose that much. Maybe $200 max. Oh my god, 800 order at the 900. What the fuck? Oh my god, this is gonna be huge. So after we squeeze, we go down right here. I'm gonna move my stop loss to $100. I'm happy with $100. Can we push through? Dude, and that morning, me and one of my team, my friend, Matt, we was talking about China, and it actually happened, which is what a coincidence, you know? Shit. But guess what? At least I got some money back from the options right here. It's moving up, you know? So I'm gonna probably take the loss. I'm gonna take the loss. So probably, man, I'll take a couple hundred. Not even a couple hundred. Like, I gotta check how much it's worth right now. Because I haven't looked into it. We're at the 900. This order just spoof. They spoof it. Order spoof right here. But like we still have a huge order right there, which is just got filled. Now we push up. Oh my god, bro. Okay, they're getting destroyed. If they get destroyed right here, yo, it's gonna be huge. I'm gonna keep trolling. I'll take $150. And buyers hold it. Come on, keep pushing. Where's my continuations? But you see how low volume, no price, just skip it through quickly. It's either we check quickly or we skip through it quickly. You know? Yeah, I'm gonna take the profit. I don't like that. It's just I'm gonna take the profit and be done for the day, baby. $1.3K. Back up 300. Yesterday I was gamble with my stream right here. Today I'm back up. Save 3 account, right? Easy. You know, accounts always recover. Like you can always recover. What do you mean like clean up Bookmap? Like the bands? Like the heat map? 100% win rate today on this account. Come on now. Easy. And I trade small size too. You don't need a big size to make big money, dude.
Yo, bro, I'm back.
Dude, I'm already exit. The 900
Oh, you're
hell.
off.
Yeah. So if it push
Alright.
back up here, it's gonna be huge for you. But I don't want to deal with like the drop. Like, I don't know if it's gonna reverse or continuations, you know? 100% win rate still on this one. I'm gonna keep 100% win rate until payout right here. Let's see if I can do that. Holy shit.
Not as long as Hakanachi doesn't flip, I'm holding the trade. Oh, we're white now. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out full position.
Why not? It still
As soon
hasn't
as it
dropped.
said
Like,
it.
it might squeeze back up. I don't know. But you see, like, the 900 orders get hit right here. Price stall out. I don't like it. I exit. It could
Yeah.
go back up, but it's just like, I'm already up for the day.
You're already good trade, bro. Good freaking
And
trade.
I'm just
Yeah.
chilling. Up 3.6K. Okay, so the bubbles, you can make it big or small right here. And for that, for the heat map, if you want to look clean, this is my setting right here. Move this halfway, move this down just right there. And also your book map not gonna look clean during Asia and London because like we don't have a lot of liquidity, a lot of orders in the book, you know, so it's gonna look shitty. It's gonna look shitty during Asia and London. Only during New York it will look this clean. Yes sir, no problem. You know? Only during New York. During Asia and London it's gonna look shit. Okay, we coming back up here.
That was one trade too.
But I'm cool
Nice.
with that. You know, cause I don't wanna risk I'm up for the day, so I'm just chill. Maybe I'll try to pass a combine, but probably I'll try to pass a combine after I get payout right here. I need 2 more days to get payout. Cause I took one payout on this account. Yes sir, no problem, man. And payout, this account is payout tomorrow. So let's see how many days I need right here. Yep, I need 2 more days. This is a fresh account. 2 more days. This account is already traded for 8 days, and I already took one payout. So 2 more days until a second payout. W. Okay, 9:30. We have 700 orders. I think like it's a spoof though, but it's gonna go towards there. Yeah, I'm gonna try to clean out the problem. Hell yeah. Seagull. Let me hop on my funded futures eval right here. Let's see if I can do something about it. Demo. Yeah, I don't think like there's any good move right now because we're already squeezed up. It's pretty hard to trade. Because if you're in, you got being at the bottom. Oh shit, I haven't been sharing my screen on Discord? What the fuck? I thought I'm sharing. Crypto futures? Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, if you have the skill, go for it. But the reason why I don't trade crypto futures and stuff like that, cause oh yeah, I can see Bitcoin on here too, but it's just I don't like I've been getting used to like trading NQ and going for 930 orders right here. Yeah, but I'm not trading crypto, so the but how y'all like the trades, like the idea of using Bookmap? It's just great, right? Like Bookmap is a good tool to use. I'm being transparency in here. You know, most of my trade, I get the idea of Bookmap and levels onto the chart. Pretty easy. Yep, that 900 order was a spoof. They move it up here now. They keep moving it. What a spoof. This spoofer. Since price got close towards it, they move it like down here, they move it to. They didn't even get filled. But market gonna try to grab it, but I don't know if they're gonna move. Again. Up pretty good, yeah. I'm up pretty good, you know. Pretty clean. Just something clean. I took a payout with this firm and my drawdown was so small, so I blew the account and make another one. Yeah, no problem, man. Dude, I got a huge fucking big day today. 3.6K. Come on now. One contract up 3.3K. Holy shit. This one, just take some base hit. I'm done for the day. Sorry, a huge day. Oh, you mean get big as fuck like in terms of like YouTube. I appreciate it, man. I'm getting a payout with this account tomorrow. I'm trying to go live with Boondocks right here so I can take unlimited payout. Like no, you know, no threshold or no nothing, no minimum, maximum payout, whatever that shit is. Yeah, sorry, I didn't read your comment fully. Oh my god, go breaking now right here. Again. W everyone, thank you for the support. Thank you so much. If y'all like the stream, give me a thumbs up and a sub. It really help. It helped me one step closer to getting big. Cause I'm being transparency in here. But I don't know, like yo, like many days, like it was just one stream. I was in a loss, which is Friday, because of that market drop and people was fucking so being so toxic on YouTube. Like what the fuck? Like look at this shit. I don't know, like, but I feel like people are just being talk shit. Like when I win, they don't say anything, but when I lost, you know, like they 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 they're trying to, you know, talk shit about me, dude. Like what the fuck? Hold on, I forgot which one is it. It's kind of funny, dude. Friday, which day is it? Checking it. The 10th. God damn, look, because I was taking losses. I was on my live account taking losses. I was up like 500 for the day. Like you can see, I deposit 500 up 500 for the day. Look at my positions. I bottom ticket too, but it's just I didn't take profit. I thought it could go more. Look, Nice gambling, buddy. Took his live account from 900 to less than 300. Maybe paper trading first. You know, people just be talking shit like that. Yeah. Yeah, bro, like people can do it. Like when people talk shit like that, I know they don't trade. Because they don't know how hard it's trading, you know? Trading is not like you're gonna win every day, dude. But you need to become a good loser, right? Trading is a losing game. If you're a good loser, you're gonna win. So if I say that I'm a good loser, you know, like yesterday I gambled on this account a little bit, and I say that on stream, I'm gambling on this account trying to short go. And look, being disciplined, trade my strategy, and look, I can bring it back easily on 3 account.
And the kid was still trailing. I knew it'll still keep
You know?
going. I should have.
Look at my win rate. Look at my stat. Over 170 trades. How am I gamble and get this stat? You know, keep my losses always small. Average win loss, look, 2.28. RR 3.3, you know? Same with this. Maybe this one a little bit lower, but still. Guess it's only 3 days in. And this one, no, 1.61. Over 100 trades. RR 2.4. This one 100% win rate. Still. You know? I take losses too, but I take them small. That's why you see like even though my calendar looks all green, right? But because like I take small losses. And whenever I'm in a big positions, like I'm in a good position, I'm gonna scale in. Like look, you know, start the day off like with a 200 loss, 300 loss, and boom, one trade. Take it back. You know, start the day 256 loss, take it back. No, nothing, no roller coaster. You know, just a smooth curve. Yeah, this smooth going down because I was taking multiple small losses. I was up 90 bucks, down to 67, boom, up 500. Oh, see, up 156 and take little loss, and boom, we back up. And this day I was down 300, so I feel like, dude, I just take the 200 and be done for the day, you know? Dude, no, I just recently become profitable like a month or months ago. Yeah, I'm from the USA. I'm about to pass this to account. I'm trying to pass combine quick. Because I know I can get a payout, so I just pass them quick. But I'm trying to get this payout first and then I'm gonna pass them. What's up? What you say, Chippy? My bad. Chippy? Iba? Betul. Wait, sila ba lang? Sorry, I had to answer my phone. But you know, like, though, like, my WUP course it's not even a course, but I'm here sharing experience with people. It's only 10 bucks. So, you know, it's a pretty low price. It's basically like you are giving me a donation as a supporter. It's not even like buying a course, you know? And I'm increasing the price 20 next month. And all the other, you know, the people paying this month, they would be paying the same for life, you know? But I'm just, you know, maybe a $10 donation is really helpful. It's not a lot of money, of course, but like it's a support that everyone's showing me, you know. Cause like right now, look, this week I'm gonna get at least a 5K payout, at least. So $10 a person, and right now we have 16. It's only 160 bucks a month. It's not about money; it's the support, and you know, that $10 is just like, the cost of like Bookmap and shit like that. Basically, I'm doing it for free. I live in Brazils. Each dollar is worth 5 in my currencies. A good amount for what? For trading? Oh, you can start with like 200 bucks. Let's see. I'm gonna set up presentations and let's do a Bookmap lectures on. What do you guys think about Friday after market, or let's do during market time, so at least we can learn something. I'll show live example of like price actions. So probably let's just do it Thursday. So I'm gonna send it out for everyone. Coming back to retest 900 right here.
900 retested.
But I think I'm done for today. Just chill.
I just need 1K to pass both of these combines. Just 1K.
Hell yeah.
We do 500 each day. 2 micros.
Thanks, Essence.
W trade today, yes sir.
I could just go in big and pass all 3 accounts right here, to be honest.
Good volume. Good volume.
I might just go and pass this account right here. Just do nothing. Thanks, bro. I'm gonna try to scalp to pass this account right here.
Micros?
No, I'm gonna go big size. I'm already up 1K for the day, but I need 3 more K to pass, cause no, 2.7K to pass. So let's see if I can catch some good scalp with some big minis with the big boys.
The big boys.
The big boys up right here. But I need to be really precise with this type of trade because I'm in with the big size. So gotta be careful. The big boys coming in to pass the account right here. Gotta look at all the candles. I'm gonna wait 40 seconds right here. See the low volume note on this move up. I'm in with the big boys, so I gotta be careful right here. Got some low volume note right here. Who's ready for the big boys? Might get in at this bias right here. Just might set my stop loss below them. 47, and then I'm scaling slowly. Let's see if this big boys can hold the order, can hold the market right here. It's a big boy trade to pass the account. I need 2.7k, so not that much. Risking 680 on this trade. If the big boys right here don't hold, then I'll take the 680 loss. You know, when you go for big target, sometimes you need a good stop loss too. $47. The big boy don't hold, we flush back down. The big boys right here. So I think my stop loss is fine. Come on, big boys. Take price up. The big boys holding. The big boys holding. Big boys trying to hold. Yeah, I need 2.7k. I'll invite you back. Ooh. Big boys holding right here. Can we get pushed back up?
On that candle that just what candle was this? The 101 candle. I caught that little short. I scalped it.
Nice, bro.
How much was that? $300 scalp. 1 mini. We need 800 to pass. I'm just gonna scalp the rest. Play it small. I'm gonna be back on in an hour. W stream. W chat.
Hey, you gotta leave?
No, I'm just finna eat real quick.
Bro, I'm about to end stream soon. So, like,
So you're green. You're green
you
on the
know,
day, bro. You
yeah.
can chill. Yeah, you're good.
And I'll see you, Chippy, maybe tomorrow's stream, you know? W trade
Yes,
Chippy.
sir. Yes, sir. W Nick, man.
Yeah. Thanks, bro. Just need 2.7 right here, and think we're good for the day. We passed all 3 accounts, and we have all 3 new EVA, you know, funded accounts. If we can get this above right there. Coming up to the sellers. Big boys holding. But we're coming up to seller. Big boy seller right here. Let's see who's gonna win. I think buyer's gonna win. Up 300 again. I'm gonna just go break even right here. Securing some profit. Thanks, assist. Cause I'm in a big boy, so I just want everything to be smooth. Catching big trade. Up 500. 460, 470. Can we squeeze this short? Sellers out. Oh, it's risking 600, up 400 again. And I go break even right away after I push up here, so basically I'm not risking 600. That was like 300 max. Up 550. Come on now, y'all. Drop this up a little bit. Take 40 bucks profit. Cover the fees. We gotta push above this sellers. If not, then like that might take price back down. I'm gonna turn off privacy to see my balance. Up 900. We need 2 more K. Pass it in like 2 days. Yesterday I lost 1,000, but I can pass it. I know I can make it back. I was just a gamble yesterday. Send this in the chat. Get some. Just gotta get about this sellers and we good. We got about the sellers. Let's see volume profile chart. Yep, if we get above here, skip through this low volume node, we good to go up here. Get 2K. Yeah, but I'm break even right now, so I'm pretty much free in this trade. So it doesn't matter if it go down from here. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Let's see. Yeah, ES already, you know, up there at the top. So ES move a little bit faster today. We push above the sellers. Come on. Give me a good squeeze. Here we go. Up 800. Yeah, like basically like that, but also like you need to have a bias. Like you do a chart analysis too, and Bookmap is I use it for executions. So not just Bookmap alone. Yeah, but Bookmap I look for target, which is liquidity above, below, see where price wanna reach, and I use you can see bias defend right here. I hop in. You see up 900 right now. I think we can squeeze to the top right here. ES breaking out, so it's gonna be a huge squeeze through this low volume node on ES. Can get a breakout up 1K. And get if we can skip this low volume node, it's gonna be huge for me right here. Just quick skip through. I'm gonna trap this up, so I'm gonna scare in some profit right here, 300 bucks, just in case. Put it below some of the buyers up here. 96 is fine. Yeah, my entry chunks. Yeah, that was a large buyer there, and then also like buyer still long. So I'm gonna take. But if this zone fell, then like I might go to the next zone. But this is where the big buyers came in. You know, can get a push through here is huge. Maybe on the next 4 hours candle though. Let's see though. But I know that I'm a skiing $300 profit right here. But push down. This buyer's right here. So 96 would be my exit. What's up? What's up, Matt? On break? Hell yeah, Matt. Dude, I hope you're doing good today, Matt. Today, it's been a good day for me. It's been a good week. Up so much. Trying to pass this three accounts right here. Yesterday I was gambling on it, took 1,000 loss, Matt. And today already back up, using my strategy, discipline, and risk management. Got it back up easy. So if this trade hits, like, new 3 funded account, I'm gonna squeeze this firm. If not, then like I'm gonna chill. Hell yeah, let's do a poll. If you want to do a poll, hell yeah. Can you send out a poll? I think you can, Matt. Because I'm trying to see how this trade going. I'm running queue. You don't know how to do it, Matt? You click on the 3 dot on the screen. I'm just gonna do it. No, you click on the plus in your chat. Come on, hit the poll, y'all. Let's see if what's your P&L, green or red? Come on. Okay, we got first person as green. 2 votes are green right now. Let's fucking go. W Day, 3 votes green. Hell yeah. W. W everyone, 4 votes green. Damn. W. Hell yeah, W. Market been pretty hard to trade. So if you're green, bro, like that's a huge W. Like this market is hard to trade lately. W everyone. It's chat right here. So no matter what, if it goes down, I'm gonna take 300. You know, I'll still be cool with it. But if we can get a breakout, that's huge. W 7 people, 86% green. You know, probably 1 person red. Okay, yeah, that's definitely a green. Yeah, no trades, man. You know, you're still up. You didn't take any losses. W everyone, 7 votes, 86% win. Let's fucking go. 86% green. But it's gonna consolidate here for a little bit, and maybe, you know, it might get a breakout. Let's see though. No, I'll take 300. It's a W for me. 8 votes, 88% green, 12% red. Let's fucking go. Seems like a W day for everyone. Yep. Flush through with those buyers. I'm out. Up another 300 bucks. Easy, easy. I'm gonna end the poll here. It's a W for 89% of the people. And for the other person, dude, like, you're a rat, you're fine, dude. Like, as long as you don't overtrade, you know, you're good. Just come back tomorrow with a bad mindset, because if you overtrade, you might things might get out of hand, and you're gonna blow your account if you're not careful about it. They took out this. Let's see, go. Have the chart beside. Go. There's some big orders right below. They stopped me out and pushed back up. What the fuck? They might squeeze it right here. Try it again. Risking 400. I don't know, it's a risky trade. I really want it to be to squeeze up. Might have to exit right here. Ooh, I'll take the 300 loss. Yup. I should have waited for a breakout right there. For entry. It's consolidating for a little bit, so maybe I'll wait for the next 4 hours candle, you know? It's consolidating. Or if I want to get in, I just gotta get somewhere below here. Like some down here. Absorption is like when buyers keep, like, let's say we have big bubbles right here. Absorption is where like there's a lot of buyers, but like price didn't move up, and instead they saw off. That's mean a lot of limit sellers. Every time, you know, they buy in, there's a seller take their order. You know, they keep absorb it. Like they a lot of buyers, but they couldn't push through that those sellers, and eventually they'll there will be no more buyers. So price stop, you see, they're trying to push it up. Eventually, there's no more buyers, and aggressive sellers gonna start step in and take price down. So like, you know, when price, you know, all the buyers up here, you know, like there will be no more buyers, and it's gonna be so easy for price to go down. And you know, because they already try up here that there should be no more order down here, and then since price get down here, all of these buyers gonna cover their positions. Because they try and it fell, you know. So what they gonna do? Cover their positions. My God, NQ get back up. Let's see. We can get a breakout right here. I'm gonna go in for a buy again. Come on now. I took a 280 loss right there. So basically profit 40 bucks from the trade. Can we get a breakout? I need 2.6k to pass. If I can't break out right here, I'm gonna add in one more contract. I'm checking on ESU. ES is freaking out right now. I'm gonna take the quick profit real quick because I feel like it's gonna retrace back for a little bit. The first push up, come back, retest, and I'm gonna buy. I don't think it's gonna push, like, you know, like push out. I think the next 4 hours candle is where you should buy. It's Thursday. Thursday, Matt. I need to make presentation too. Like, I gotta set everything up. Pulling back down a little bit right here. I'm gonna wait for the next 4 hours candle. So in 30 minutes, this one you should buy. Yo, it's already 12:30, so like I guess I'm gonna hop off stream right here. I'll see y'all tomorrow. It's been how long stream? It's almost 3 hours stream. So I'm gonna hop off right here. I'll see you on Tuesday. Hope y'all have a wonderful day. And just be easy on your trading. Don't don't force yourself too much. Yeah, W stream. I'll see y'all, right?